Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into TikTok Shop Center for Creator Storefront Management, detailed guide step by step clearly. To start, open your web browser. Type in the URL for the TikTok Shop Center. Once the page loads, look for the login button at the top right corner of the screen. Click on the login button. You will be directed to the login page. Enter your registered email address in the designated field. Next, input your password in the password field below. If you have enabled two-factor authentication, check your device for the verification code. Input the verification code into the provided space. After you enter the code, click on the Login button. Once logged in, you will be taken to the dashboard of the TikTok Shop Center. Here, you can manage your creator storefront. To set up your storefront, navigate to the Storefront tab in the menu. Click on it to access all storefront management features. You can add products by selecting the Add Product option. Follow the prompts to upload images, descriptions, and pricing for your products. Be sure to save your changes after adding each product. To review your sales and performance metrics, go to the Analytics section in the menu. Here, you can track your progress and make informed decisions. If you need assistance, visit the Help Center or Support section. This section offers valuable resources and FAQs to guide you. That's the complete process for logging into TikTok Shop Center and managing your storefront. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.